Hello and welcome to 28417 Audrey in Warren, Michigan. This is a great opportunity. This home that is 1,321 square feet, located south of 12 Mile and just west of Mound, has instant equity opportunity for you. This home has very solid bones. And also, it features a rare split bedroom layout. So let's check this house out. Definitely needs some updating. The seller realized it, and it reflects in the pricing. This home will not last. It is priced hot. Check out the comps in the area. The beauty of this situation is that the house is very livable. It's got great bones. You can move in and start to build that equity one room at a time. And the big bonus here is that you get to customize it to your taste, not someone else's. There is hardwood flooring throughout almost the entire first floor, even including underneath the living room carpeting. You have an attached two-car garage. Now, this is bedroom one. It is located up near the front of the house. Then you go down around the corner, getting to bedroom two and three, which is kind of nice where all three bedroom doors aren't inches away from each other. Really gives you a little bit of privacy, not often obtained in ranch style homes in this area. Seriously, call today. Get your private showing going because it will not last. All the bedrooms are pretty spacious, which is kind of nice. In a lot of the houses over in the area, you have the one bedroom that's like 9 foot by 8 foot, and it'd be better of a study than a bedroom. But all these are pretty good size. Here again, this home is priced at $200,000. Don't miss out. And one of the things to really consider is what everyone says in real estate. The three most important things: location, location, location. And look at this neighborhood. We have location up the wazoo. Great neighborhood, solid home. Don't miss out. Call